Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed, and in this lecture I am going to teach you text box, header and footer, word art, date and time, slide number and object in PowerPoint. First we will learn text box. In order to use text box, first we need to come in insert, and then we will click on text box. In order to get text box, what do I simply click on it, and definitely I will click and drag, and as you can see that now I have a text box. And definitely you can see that one menu has been appeared. It's called format. Actually this is the menu of shape. For example, if I go and insert, and if I take any shape, for example, so you can see that this is the menu of shape. So text box is nothing, it is just a shape, and definitely we have learned shapes in our previous lecture. So text box is nothing, it's just a shape. So why do we have text box? Actually we use text box for quotations, definitely to show quotations or good lines, getting me? And then what do we have? We have head and footer. This is called the head part, and this is called the foot part. So definitely if we go in head and footer, so we can change the head part and the foot part. So definitely here we have slide, definitely. So in the slide, what do you want? So include on this, definitely if you want to add you can say date, definitely as you can see that now we have add date right now. So if you want to add you can say date, definitely you can add date automatically and fix. If you say fix, definitely fix will come. If you say automatically, so definitely it will be updated automatically. And definitely if you want to add the you can say a slide number, so definitely you can also add slide number as well. And if you want to write something, for example, if I write here naveedplace.com, and definitely if I say apply to all, means it will apply to all slides. But if I definitely I will click on apply to all, and as you can see that here we have you can say date, you can say name, definitely I say footer, and this is called slide number, getting me? So with the help of header and footer, this is called date, definitely then slide number, definitely this is slide number, and this is what I said, naveedplace.com, getting me? So with the help of header and footer, whatever we say, definitely it will come in all pages. For example, if you see here, definitely here we have this. If we come here, definitely page number 2 or slide number, getting me? We have applied this to all pages. Then what do we have? We have word art. Word art nothing, it is just art. For example, if I click on it, so it will give us an art. For example, if I say this art, so it is nothing, it is just you can say text for the art for text. For example, if I type here naveedplace.com, and definitely if I want to increase the size, I can also increase the size. Sorry. And if I want to rotate, definitely I can also rotate. And definitely if I want to apply any word style, definitely I can also apply. If I want to change the text fill color, I can also change the fill color. If I want to change the outline color, definitely I can also change the outline color. If you come here, you can see that the outline color is now red, getting me? So with the help of text outline, we can also change that outline color. If we want to apply any effect, definitely we can also apply any effect to this word art. And definitely one of the biggest use of word art is that definitely we can remove, means we can keep this anywhere we want. And then what do we have? We have date and time. For example, if you want to show a date and time, if you want to show date and time, for example, if you want to show date and time here, so you simply keep your cursor there here, and definitely and just click on date and time, and definitely select the format and say update automatically. And as you can see that now it's showing the time. It's called 7:45 am right now. This is I woke up at 4. And then what do we have? We have slide number. If you want to show the slide number, we can also show the slide number. That's where this is the slide number 2. Definitely we can also show the slide number. And the last, what do we have? We have object. So what is the work of object? The work of object is that, for example, if I click on it and if I go anywhere, definitely if I go there, and if I definitely if I say that wordpad, then if I click on OK. So what is the work of object? The work of object is that, for example, if I work here, and if I increase the size and bold italic, and after that I will say cancel. So you can see that even though I work in I guess WordPad, but despite that we have the work of okay, so WordPad here. So if we want to work in, for example, Photoshop, if you want to work in Illustrator, so if you will do work there, but that work will come here, getting me? So definitely I have given you example of you can say WordPad. So it can be any example, it can be Photoshop, it can be Illustrator, it can be Cold. So if you work there, definitely that work will come here. So this is a work of object. And how can we use object? Just simply click on it, and you have to find, you can say your software, because I don't have many software. I have just simply WordPad. Definitely I use WordPad. It can be 3ds Max, it can be you can say Photoshop, any software you like. You work there, for example, you make your logo there, and definitely that logo will come here. So in this lecture, what did we learn? We learned text box, header and footer, word art, date and time, slide number, and object. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture, and exercises, come to my website www.laveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.